In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse video in Clipchamp 5 minutes. First, open Clipchamp. You can use any modern browser by going to clipchamp.com or launch the Clipchamp app that's included on many Windows computers. If you're not signed in yet, click sign in, choose continue with Microsoft, and select the Microsoft account you want to use. Follow the prompts and you'll land on the Clipchamp home screen. From the home screen, start a fresh project by choosing create a new video. The editor will open with your timeline along the bottom and your media panel on the left. Bring your footage in by clicking Import Media or drag a video straight from your computer into the media panel. Once it appears in your library, drag the clip down to the timeline. When you see it snap into place, you're ready to edit. Now for the reverse effect. The method here is to cut your clip into short pieces and then flip the order of those pieces. Click once to select the clip on the timeline. Use the split tool, look for the scissors icon, and make a series of cuts along the clip. Shorter segments create a smoother reverse effect for fast movement, while slightly longer segments can work for slower shots. Zoom into the timeline so you can see each cut point clearly, and try to keep each segment about the same length for consistent motion. With the clip sliced into a sequence of small segments, reverse their positions. Start at the end of the sequence and drag the last segment to the very front. Then take the second to last segment and place it next, and continue working backward until the original first segment ends up at the end. Keep each segment snug against its neighbor so there are no gaps or overlaps. If snapping is active, it will help pieces align neatly as you move them. Preview your work by pressing play. You should see the action playing backward as the reordered segments simulate a reverse. The visuals will look like true reverse playback. Any original audio will naturally sound unusual when reversed, which is expected for this effect. So focus on the visual movement as you review. And that's the process. You opened Clipchamp, created a new video, imported your footage, placed it on the timeline, cut it into short segments, and reversed their positions to achieve a clean reverse effect. If the movement feels choppy, try shortening the segments and reordering again until it looks smooth. When you're satisfied, you're ready to continue refining your edit or share your result.